Hello, I'm Ryan Williams,
And I'm Andrea Martin, and we're the Williams and Martin real estate team of the Comox Valley.
and this is a market update for June 2022. Any stats we talk about are from May.
So, some of our biggest news for the past months is that the seller's market is now becoming more of a balanced market. Two main reasons are rising interest rates and inventory is climbing, so buyers have more selection and more options.
But if you're a buyer and you're concerned about prices dropping in the future, understand that with the rising interest rates, you're actually paying the same amount of money for the same house at a lower price. So don't be afraid to buy. Historically, prices have always gone up way more than they've gone down.
Yes, so if we look at historically the prices, from 1977 to 81, they went up 280%. And from 86 to 91, they went up 280% as well. From 2000 to 2008, they went up 250%. And now from 2014 up to now, it has gone up 250% as well.
That's right. But again, for prices going down during that same time in the 80s, the prices dropped 48%, which is quite substantial. But in the 90s, they only dropped 12%. And in the 2000s, at 2008, they only dropped 6%. So the steps up have always been way bigger than the steps down. So the market, although it may be adjusting, doesn't mean that if you're going to be a buyer in the long term, it's not a bad time to still get into the market.
So in other news, this coming Friday on June 24th, we have a Remax golf tournament coming up.
That's right. It is for the Comox Valley Health Foundation annual event that Remax has been helping out with the last couple of years, and we're super happy to be part of that. For personal and business for Andrea and I, we just finished giving our final donation to the Comox Valley Hospice Society, and that was one of 24 donations over the past year, $500 that we gave to local charities and sports teams, and it was very rewarding to be a part of that, and we probably will continue it. We just have to think about it and see who else would be lucky enough to receive that money from us. So this is the market update for June 2022. We will see you in July.
Enjoy the sunshine. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ryan here with the most interesting and exciting part of the market update. It's the analytics, the numbers, the stats. There you go. This is for May 2022, comparing to May 2021 when we compare for year to year. So first off, we're going to focus on single-family homes. So for single-family homes in the Comox Valley, we saw units listed for May 2022 were up 18% and sales were down 1%. So not a big change in the sales, but definitely more inventory came on the market during the month of May. Active listings that we had during all of May, so it was units listed plus what was on the market, 148 for single-family homes. Last year we had 101 in May, so definitely about 30% higher there. The average sale price, though, is $980,000. That is the highest we've ever been, almost $1 million for the average sale price in the Comox Valley last month, compared to $764,000 the year before. And in April 2022, we had a average sale price of $910,000. So it did take a big jump there. As for condos, the condo market, we saw 188% more listings come on the market. So that's 72 this year compared to 25 last year. Units sold, we had 22 last year, 19 this year, so we were down in a couple sales. Average sale price, $425,000 this year. Last year, $370,000. And active listings for the month were 77 this year and 31 last year. So a lot more on the market this year, almost over double. And for the patio homes, row houses, townhouses, we had 33% more listings come on the market this year. So this year 36, last year 27. And we had 3 less sales this year than last year. Average sale price $582,000 and last year $545,000. So a 7% difference, not huge. But listings were down this year compared to last year. Active listings on the market, so 31 this year, 42 last year. Interesting things to note that there were, to date, from January 1st to May 31st, there were 341 single-family home sales in the Comox Valley. 100 of those were in Comox. That had the most. Number 2 was Courtenay City, which includes the Ridge. Number 3 is East Courtenay, number 4 is Crown Isle, and number 5 is Cumberland. And the number 1 price range for sales was was over $1 million. At 104 of the 341 properties that sold were over $1 million. So just under 30% of the listings. The second bracket was 76 sales in the $800,000 to $900,000 range. Number 3 was 700 to 800,000, and then 900 to $1 million. So yeah, almost $1 million for an average sale price here in the Comox Valley. Is the market changing? That's something to keep our eyes on, because it seems to be settling in town and many other places as well, especially those larger centers that are feeders for people moving this way. If you want more information, you can look us up at williamsandmartin.ca. All the best, and we'll see you in July.